Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to make this delicious vegan banana bread with a super easy to make caramel sauce. We will list all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe in the description box down below. First, mash 3 very ripe bananas. You can also use a fork for this. Now add the sugar. I used white sugar, but you can also use brown sugar if you prefer it. Then add the coconut oil. Next add the vanilla flavor. Then add the plant-based milk. I used oat milk, but you can also use any other plant-based milk instead. Now stir well until it's all well combined. Next add the flour. I used spelt flour in this recipe, but wheat flour will work just as fine. Now mix again. At this point I still had to add some more plant-based milk because the butter was still too dry. Next add the salt, cinnamon and baking powder. Stir well till you get a homogeneous butter. Pour the butter into a loaf pan with baking paper. If you like, you can sprinkle on any toppings of your choice. We used crushed hazelnuts. Put the banana bread into the preheated oven and let it bake for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. While the bread is in the oven, we will make the caramel sauce. First, we pour the coconut milk into a pot. Then we add the sugar and mix well. Now we add the vanilla flavor and the salt. Stir again and bring to a boil. Let it simmer for at least 20 minutes till it starts to get thick. don't forget to stir regularly. Once it gets thick enough, remove from the heat and set aside. When the bread is done, take it out of the oven and let it cool off a bit. Take the bread out of the baking pan and you are ready to enjoy this delicious bread topped with your caramel sauce. Thanks for watching, we hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you like this recipe, and if you want to support us, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video. Bye!